Let me show you how to make buko pie, which is a great dessert to eat with mango ice cream. Let's begin. The ingredients you will need are the meat of the coconut. If you're going to purchase the frozen coconut or canned coconut, make sure you only use the meat. Don't use the juice or the water of the coconut. Sweetened condensed milk, sugar, evaporated milk, 4 eggs, and a pie crust recipe. So this part is really easy. All you need to do is grab a bowl, then you're going to add the eggs. Then you're going to add the 2 cans of evaporated milk. Then you're going to add the sweetened condensed milk. Then you're going to add the sugar. Next, you're going to add the coconut meat. Make sure it's the coconut meat, not the juice or the water. So after you add everything in, you're going to mix everything well. Then you're going to grab your pie crust that you already made, or you can use a pre-made one. Then add it to the pie crust. Then I grab the other half of the pie crust and put it on top. Oh, and you want to make sure you don't fill the filling all the way to the top because it might spill over. Mine did a little bit. And then if you would like, you can fix the crust of the pie. You can decorate it. I just cut it along the edge of the plate. But you can decorate it however you like. And then what I did was make a cross in the center. And that's it, guys. Then you're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. After it's finished, you want to let the pie sit for at least an hour or best overnight in the refrigerator. But I decided to cut it to show you guys how it would look like. Hey guys, do you have an Instagram account? I do. Let's be friends. I post daily of the food I bake, cook, and when I'm filming. Or if you have a Facebook, let's be friends as well. Hope to see you guys there. What's your favorite kind of pie recipe? Let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Filipino recipes. Bye guys!